morning I did some simulated trading, which wasn't really using the chart that much. Started off with the pretty strong at just prior to the opening to sell off, and then caught a support level right here, and let me pull a line over there. Well, that's pretty obvious. The support level's right here, and could have used this as a entry or waited for the next one up. Let's look at the 50. We did have a lower high here. I mean a lower low. But on the 50 or the 500 volume chart at 17, we would have an entry level about here, which would have given us 3 points right here. So this would have been the entry point there, and we had the a bit of a pullback. We actually show it hitting 21 here, but it pulled back up to 18 before it went up to 21. So there's where we're at right now. Real time up here at 21 again, just slightly surpassing it. After hitting 21, it went below again. So this could have been a sell right here at 19, and it went down to 16, so there was another, well, more than 16, but here's the other possible entry right here. Well, that'd be the exit, actually, right there. And if you were trading this as a sort of a short-term trade, you could have justified, I guess, another trade here, although you have a lower low here at this point. So it's probably not the best situation to take this trade, given that situation between these two downward probes. And that's all about. Let's see, that's all I got to say on the ES. Pretty much a similar situation. I'm using the 5-minute chart here. The opening. This was not as. It was more bullish than the Russell. I can bring over the 500 and see what that looks like. And there is the similar chart. And we can see how it held support. So on the ES, it did break below the prior lows here, but it held support from here. So again, it didn't make another low, and that was at 6:30. But pretty much after this low here, we had higher lows all the way up. Let's see if I can try to calibrate this better and make this 1,000. There's a 1,000 volume, which might be better, have a better correlation to the Russell. And you'll see here that it didn't break through to the bottom, unlike the other one. Actually at 649, see at 631, right here, they're pretty similar. Let's see if I can get this calibrated better. Here's 631. Russell made a much stronger move down prior to the market. Here's the 5 o'clock. Here's the 5 o'clock, and then 5:40, and then just prior to the opening, it had a big push down, and this also did a push down, but it held the support level from 5 o'clock. So I think that's where you had a little bit better entry there, because you had this area here where it held pretty solid, and yeah, so 88. So you only got 2 points there. Whereas with the get it to 17. You got 4 instead of 2. So, but if you took it from, you know, the bottom here, where it's starting to move up, you still only got roughly